three glues to glue some XPS to plywood. This plywood happens to be treated plywood, but it doesn't matter. So we'll start off with this guy first, PL Premium. Seems to be good for everything. So what I'm gonna do is actually I should spread that. This is how I plan on doing it. I'm gonna do it for real, so I might as well do the same thing. We still have a bit left. So we'll just do a little bead. Or actually, you know, once you do it, you're going to place it and kind of give it a little shimmy like this. Probably somehow reasonable how it's going to be placed. So we'll do that. And then the next one is PL Max. You can only buy it in these little containers. So I don't really want to go that way. So same thing, we'll just do. This stuff's a lot thicker. And again, it's about probably 6 degrees or so where I'm at working. That's about how much I put on. I'm just shimmy it. Push it. Then this stuff I haven't tried before. It's a PL Form Board 300. So we'll give that a shot. Oh, this stuff I could feel it just by squeezing it. It's a lot more pliable, more like the PL Premium. A little bit squish. That stuff had a bit of a smell to it. But. And then this stuff, I'm just going to use this stuff I found at the store. What is it? 3M High Strength 90 contact adhesive. So this one I probably would spray it. I know it comes out like little hairs, so I'd probably spray it like that. And then I probably would give that a spray. Nice coating. A little slick. Not really gonna spread it. I'll just do that, and you know what? I'm only gonna weight this with, let's see here, probably something that'll have, I'm gonna put this on flat ground. I don't want to apply too much weight because I'm gonna have a shitload of weight initially anyway. So maybe I'll put that. And when you're talking about that little square area, that should be good for there. And then I'll also put, and just put another, put a battery there. And do I get another battery somewhere? That's what I got here. Oh, I'll put one of the glues. I'll put glue there. Like I said, it's about 6 degrees in here. It's humid. I'll tell you the exact humidity. Because I have a little machine over here. And it fell. There is it. Where did you go? Anyway, it's usually, I'd say right now it's probably 70% humidity because I'm in Victoria, kind of a little bit of a rainforest. Well, let's go with 70% and 6 degrees Celsius. And you'll see on the video it has a little time clock, so it begins. We'll go for 24 hours. Or somewhere, yeah, around 24 hours.
And it is results time. So, they've been sitting, I'm not even sure how long, maybe 24 hours. In this room that was heated, not heated, cold, hot, all over the place. Sometimes dead weight, sometimes it didn't. So I was moving around and working in here. So this isn't going to be exact and pure, but you know what? It's going to be a good representative of probably what's going to happen in the real world. So this is my favorite. So we'll see how this one works. I'm just going to hold it down and pull. Oh, Jesus. Actually, that is not. That's not coming off. So the PL, that's not coming off. And it did not eat the styrofoam. Actually even has a gap. I can't fucking rip it off. And I am using all my force. And I'm 220 pounds. That's on there. So huge win, which is awesome. So now let's try PL Max. I'm guessing this one's going to be incredible because it's fucking incredible. Same thing, like it. You cannot get it apart. And so this one, again, unbelievable. And you know what's surprising? This PL300, which is made for foam board, as I was pulling, I don't know if you notice, my hand, it's not cured. It's still fucking liquid. Insane. What a piece of junk. So that's garbage. Then here we go, the spray foam. This seemed like it was going to be all right. No. Actually, it even ate the foam. So, for the huge win, there's that one. There's 300. So this is a fail. This made for spray foam. They sell it at Home Depot right beside the foam and they say to use it. Huge fail, as you can see. This unbelievable product. I know this is amazing for no matter what you want to bond, except the downside is they only sell it in small tubes. And to me, the big winner is your PL Premium. Yeah, like, oh, well, I got it off, but as you can see, it left the insulation behind. Just snapped it. Like, kind of hurting myself right now. I can't. It's gonna be the same thing. It's stronger than the styrofoam. So your two big winners are your PLs. PL Premium and PL Premium Max. PL foam board, big ol' suck. And this one, high strength 90 contact adhesive. Definitely not made for spray foam. Awesome test. I'm using this guy.